That looks like it's. Oh, that is a dog. She loves. She loves it. She's afraid of the dog. What a puppy!
Get better at puppets. Get her.
So cute.
What other ones can we do?
So funny.
There's a mouse. Is that a mouse? There's a dog mouse. Oh, a bunny. Is that a bunny? Bunny looks like
This is so cute. Wow, girl loves the show. Is that a puppy? It got her hand. She pulled it away.
That could be an alligator.
That's an alligator for sure. That could be an alligator. Can you say crocodile?
Or a dinosaur?
She gets her hand there. She's like, try and bite it. The fact that she puts her hand there.
Oh, that's a yum. What is that? Back to the alligator. This is a dinosaur. A T-Rex. A T-Rex.
Oh my goodness. She's like, don't you stop my shadows. She is hyped up about this T-Rex.
That could be a snake. It's just so dry. It's straight face.
She puts